Yo guys, Sat Shri Akal, Namaste and what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all doing well, and I'm back with another video regarding Gods of Boom. And in this video I will show you the comparison between Desperado versus the all shotguns. But sorry to say that I forgot to record the gameplay against Avalanche. So the Avalanche gameplay isn't there, so but all the other shotguns are there. So as you can see, the first is the I'm comparing the Desperado with the Joker, and first clip that you saw, it was body shots, and now you seeing it was headshots. So Desperado is sucks, and it's just completely waste of time. And actually I want to say that Gods of Boom should do something about it, because it's a lovely gun but it's not really useful. As you can see, it's just losing against every gun. Now it's against Orion, and now we will shoot in the head, and as you can see, every time it just able to get the only armor down but not the health. So it's not powerful that. And in the end of the video I also used it, the perk of this gun, and the perk of this gun is not really useful, but still you can use. I mean, like when you activate the perk of this gun, you almost have nil HP, or you have only 1000 or 1500 HP, like that, because you have to kill one or two enemies before the perk gets started. So it's very tough gun to use, and it's very useful, I mean very useless gun. So you can see, even though my friend is using Dolorious level 1, but is still losing against it. So it's really sucks, and I hope Gods of Boom guys nerf it and make it bit powerful, so that we can use it in the battlefield more. And I just recorded only raw testing. I mean, I'm not using it like a skill test or anything like that. I'm just comparing it as a raw test, because I know that this gun is doing very useless work in the raw test, and it will do very useless work in the skill test as well. So I did not do that. So I just want to make it bit shorter video, because I feel uh, because I know it's gonna be a just waste of time, that comparing it like in a skill test or in using it perk against every gun. So it's just gonna be a waste of time, so that's why I did not do that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like on this video and share this video with your friends. And if you want any other gun comparison video, make sure to leave your valuable comment in the comment section, so that I can know that what you guys want. And yeah, share this video with your friends or enemies, and do subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you in the next video. And you know guys, whenever you subscribe to my channel, it's feel like, and when you guys don't subscribe to my channel, it's feel like
बुरा लगता है भाई, आप लोग भी जानते हो.
So make sure to subscribe and turn that notification bell, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace out and enjoy the rest of the gameplay.